Today we're gonna check out and take a look at the 18-piece cooking kitchen set utensil. It's a silicone, heat-resistant, food safety with a sturdy quality handle wood finish. Comes in at least about 8 different color. This is the black, and we got the purple for my daughter. Myself, I choose the black. Now we got 18 piece, and it also comes in a nice holder where you have a hole for water drain out. The holder is a very good quality. It's not like a cheesy plastic. It doesn't bend that easy. Pretty decent quality. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, you have every single thing. If you're whipping up cake, oh, it's a nice rubber quality right there. If lightweight, very lightweight for this. Spatula and stuff, if you wanna, you're making eggs or anything you want, it has every single thing. The handle too, right here, you could hang it up on the wall right here too, so that's really good. It's long enough and you could get the job done. It's not bendable too easy, like like the dollar store one will fold. No, this here you got a little bit softer at the tip, but then it's hard in the middle, so they did a really nice quality. And this right here, look, my favorite. If you're making eggs or you're just stir frying in your non-stick pan, this is it. We got a nice little brush, whatever you're doing, barbecue. The color choice, you got green, you got blue, you got gray, you got beige, you got orange. And I love the holder to hold them in place, because sometimes you don't have draw and you don't have space, so you could just chuck them right in here, so which is amazing. Is this the best quality? Absolutely not. Is it a cheap quality, like really cheesy? No, it's between. It's a decent quality. The wood is very strong, good, nice, smooth finish quality. The part right here that you cook, it's nice. It's like flexible at the end right here, just like the tip of it, like half an inch, like quarter inch only, right there. You see that? But then when you come here, it's very hard over here, but the tip right here, it's softer. So this is great for like if you're turning stuff, or if you want to flip a pancake or an egg or something like that. This is designed properly. I just think, in my opinion, I think the quality is decent for the price. I think the quality is excellent for the price. An 18 piece plus the holder, how can you go wrong? All right, check in the description box for more details. And I gotta tell you, this is just quick little video right here on Product Zone, and my daughter's gonna be excited when I give her one of this, because it's a surprise basically. So she's been helping her mom baking and doing all that stuff. So they're gonna be making maybe cupcakes or something. So whatever they're gonna make, I'm gonna have to do an update video, but it's pretty good. It's decent. It's better than the dollar store. Anything's better than the dollar store stuff. Better than a lot of like local cheap stuff that you buy. I'm very impressed. Very good quality overall. If you're watching Product Zone, honest review. Listen, if this thing was crappy, I was gonna tell you it's crappy. Don't waste it. But it's decent. Many people like myself back in the days used to go to the dollar store and we buy it nonstop, but they break, they fall out, they don't know, loose out from the handle, the glue's falling out and stuff. So this overall is 10 times better than the dollar store. Man, this thing is made really well.